Today we are going to learn how to use money by learning about coins. Now you use money to buy different items at the store. For example, you can buy clothes, you could buy a shirt, maybe some pants, shorts, or a skirt. You could buy a belt. You can also buy other things. You could buy a puppy, or you could buy a bicycle, or you could buy pencils for school. For example, when you go to the store and you want to buy some pencils, they might cost 10 cents. When you go to the store and you might want to buy a piece of gum, it might cost 2 cents. The price is different for every item. So in order to pay the price, we use coins. The first coin is called the penny. This is, you see it's an orange color. You can see it has a picture of a man, as you can see, on one side. And on the other side, it has this picture right here, and it says 1 cent. So it has two sides of the coin. Penny. Penny. How much is the penny? And a penny is 1 cent. 1 cent. There are two ways we can write cent. The first way is to write C-E-N-T, cent. The other way we can write it is by writing a C and a line through it. The C with the line through it stands for cent. This is the nickel. Now the nickel is a little bit bigger than the penny. It's also worth more than the penny. If you look at the nickel, it's a silver gray color. It's a picture of another man facing the other way. On the other side, you have a picture of a building. It says 5 cents. N-I-C-K-E-L. Nickel. Now you must be wondering, well, how much is the nickel worth? A nickel is different from a penny because it's worth a different amount. A penny is worth 1 cent, and a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5 cents. Another way to write this is by writing the cent sign. 5 cents. 5 cents. The third coin that we use is called the dime. This is the same color as the nickel, but it's a little bit smaller, and it also has a man on it. You can see right here. There's a man on the dime. The other side of the dime is this picture of 3 torches. You can see on the other side of the dime. D-I-M-E. Dime. And the nickel, as we can tell, the penny is 1 cent, the nickel is 5 cents, and the dime is 10 cents. That's 10 cents. Or you can write the C with the line through it, which stands for cent. The quarter is the biggest coin of them all. You can see the quarter is the same color as the nickel and the dime, and has a man on it. On the other side of the quarter, we have the symbol of a state. This quarter has South Carolina on it. Now we're going to use our coins to buy things from the store. So first let's write out quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter. And it is worth 25 cents. 25 cents. You can also write it using the C with the slash through it. We are going to buy a piece of candy for 4 cents, a pencil for 10 cents, and a cookie for 25 cents. First, let's buy the candy. Now, how can we buy candy for 4 cents? Can we use it using a quarter? No, because a quarter is 25 cents and candy is 4 cents. That's too much. Can we use a dime? No, a dime is 10 cents and a piece of candy is 4 cents. That's too much. Can we use a nickel? No, a nickel is 5 cents and a piece of candy is 4 cents. That's too much. Can we use pennies? Yes, a penny is 1 cent and a piece of candy is 4 cents. So if we use 4 pennies, we can make 4 cents to buy the candy. So if we have 4 pennies, let's get 4 pennies. Remember, a penny is the orange color coin. 1 cent plus 1 cent plus 1 cent plus 1 cent. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4 cents. 4 cents is how much the candy costs. Now a pencil is 10 cents. Oh look, I see a coin that's worth 10 cents. It's a dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. So we can buy a pencil using 1 dime because a dime is 10 cents. 10 cents. If we don't use a dime, we know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5 cents. And we also know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So if we use 2 nickels, we can buy a pencil for 10 cents because 1 nickel is equal to 5 cents plus the other nickel, which is also 5 cents. 5 cents plus 5 cents equals 10 cents. 10 cents, which is the cost of the pencil. So we can buy a pencil with 2 nickels. There's another way we can buy a pencil. A nickel is 5 cents. A nickel is 5 cents, and we know we need another 5 cents to make 10 cents. So we can add 5 pennies because each penny is 1 cent, which equals 5 cents. So we add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have 5 cents plus 1 cent, which is equal to 6 cents, plus 1 cent, which is equal to 7 cents. Uh-oh, this one's upside down. Plus 1 cent, which is equal to 8 cents. Plus 1 cent, which is equal to 9 cents, plus another cent, which is equal to 10 cents. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 10. 10 cents. 10 cents is what we need to buy a pencil. 10 cents. So now let's try to buy the cookie. Do you see how we can buy the cookie with 25 cents? I see how we can buy the cookie for 25 cents. We have a quarter, which is worth 25 cents, and a cookie worth 25 cents. So we can use the quarter to buy the cookie. The quarter is 25 cents. Cookie's 25 cents. Can you find another way of buying a cookie for 25 cents? I see another way. We know that a dime is 10 cents and a nickel is 5 cents. So if we have 2 dimes, that's 10 cents plus 10 cents, which is 20 cents. And if we have a nickel, that's 5 cents. So 20 cents plus 5 cents is 25 cents. Let's do this ourselves. First we have a dime. That's worth 10 cents. Then we can use another dime, which is another 10 cents. Then we can use a nickel. And the nickel, you can see the nickel over here. The nickel is 5 cents. 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents is equal to 25 cents. 25 cents is how much the cookie costs. So we can buy a cookie for 25 cents using 2 dimes and 1 nickel.